We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hello everyone, it's time for our Hakka lesson of the day.Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
I am Joseph Ling, and today let's talk about something that we don't like to talk about, but we encounter every day, and we have to go to the bathroom. 其实我们从来没有讨论过跟厕所有关系的话题哦。这个是不管你是名人还是老百姓，都一定要做的事情啊，对不对？那尤其有的时候去一些客家的地方，我要跟人家借厕所什么，我都不会嘞。So let's teach you a few words about.Going to the bathroom, because that's going to happen one day or another that you need to borrow a bathroom. 厕所先好了。
好，偏手。
偏手，跟台语一样，偏手。
嘿，懂穷啊。
偏手 that's a bathroom. Okay, now let's just put it into a sentence because, I'm not just going to go 偏手偏手。我一定会问嘛，请问一下厕所在哪里啊？
请问一下。
请问一下，
偏手的哪位
啊？的哪位啊？这很可爱的这个的哪位就在哪里，对不对？That whole sentence is a question on where is the bathroom. So one more time.
请问一下，
请问一下 May I ask?
偏手的哪位？
偏手的哪位？That means where is the bathroom? Okay. Now sometimes you're just wandering on the streets. You're in the wilderness, and then you just want to go into someone's house.那因为要礼貌一下嘛 We want to borrow your restroom. May I use your restroom? Can I borrow your restroom? 要借厕所怎么说？
都得加一下偏手嘛。
都得加一下，加就是借，是不是？加 is borrow. 加一下
偏手嘛。
偏手嘛。When you're outside, you're going to encounter public restrooms, and there's a term for that. Public restroom, or in Chinese, 公共厕所呢？
公共偏手。
公共偏手，听起来好响亮哦。公共偏手。So that's a public restroom. And finally, the adjectives, that you might associate with the restroom, it's either it's dirty or it's clean. 脏跟干净，我们常常进去一个厕所，第一个印象说，好脏哦，或者说，蛮干净的。脏跟干净怎么说？
走。
That's dirty.
呛哩。
That's clean.Actually, I can tell from the tone of your voice. It sounds very clean. So there you go. Today, we just talk about restrooms, bathrooms, public restrooms. So next time when you need one, you know how to ask for one. And hopefully you get one that's changli. That means it's clean. And that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.